Hi guys, today I'm going to share a Nyishi wisdom to you, and this very Nyishi wisdom is ane Tamsar Temabue Budh Sanglang Kiang-Giang Abu ki inyo am Kamabue Gota Goy. On the other hand, this saying is also spoken like this: ane Tamsar Temabue Tachinge Rungja Abu ki inyo am Kamabue Tagoy Rungpo. That means, whosoever do not listen to the commandment of their parents, they will have to live the life of darkness in future. You can say like this: whosoever do not follow or listen to the suggestions and teachings of their own parents and elders will get their life in pain and sufferings in future. This is what I said in Nyishi before, just a minute before. And within this saying, there is a folk story. And let me tell you that very folk story. Accordingly, Nyishi community believed that during the inception of this universe, the creation of this universe, in those days, all the flora, fauna, or you can say all the plants, animals, insects, reptiles, everything we are talking like that of you and me, as I'm talking to you right now. This is what we believe. And on those days, there were three children, and the name of that very children was Taching, Tago, and Sanglang. These are not the name of people. These are not the name of animals. These are the name of plants. So these three children never listened to their parents. So one day, out of anger, their parents pulled the ear while saying, "Why don't you listen my suggestions?" Something like this. While doing so, their ear was told. Their ear was teared. On the other hand, they pulled the clouds of Sanglang, something like this, pushing and pulling. Why don't you listen? Why don't you listen to the commandments of your own parents? So out of anger, parents pulled their clothes and they become naked. So we Nyishi people says, according to this belief, says that these plants, Sanglang, do not have bark. Yes, they have bark, but their bark is something like that of pepper. And these Sanglang plant quickly release their bark. They repeatedly release their bark within short period. So we do say that it happened just because their parent had put on their cloth out of anger. On the other hand, when you see the Taching and Tago plants leaf, you will find the teared signs in their lips. So we say these tear signs is still there because their parent had teared their ear on those days. So while comparing these stories, tribal parents often suggest their children that whosoever do not listen to their parent will lead the life just like that of Sanglang and Tago. One more very important or significant thing which I feel to share with you is that still today you'll never find that creeper or climber plants do not creep up on these tago and sunking taling trees. It is said that creeper or climber plants were good children, but these tago and sunking taling were bad children. So as a sign of alienation, still today, no creeper or climber plant climb up on these trees. Even it tries to climb up, but within short period it's fall down. This really happens. If you don't believe, you can go to the forest and observe for a year or 2 years whether it really happened or not. You may find it. This is really scientific. So it is said, every parents suggest their children, whosoever do not listen to their parents' commandment or suggestion will live the life of alienation, will always get pains and suffering in their life. Even if they die, they don't die well. While saying so, our parents do suggest. So this was the Nyishi wisdom which I wanted to share with you guys, and in my next videos I am going to bring some other Nyishi wisdom, and if you like, please do not forget to share this video with your friends by which they could learn like you. Thank you very much for listening patiently.